Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to fix guys vibrate on ring problem in Oppo phone device. Friends, your phone vibrate on ring. So how to fix this problem in Oppo phone device today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys one by one and step by step guys. We will talk about guys how to fix guys vibrate on ring setting in Oppo phone device. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friend, first of all we will on guys Oppo phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So guys scroll it friends, you can see guys your Oppo phone guys sound and vibration setting. So friends, we will click on sound and vibration. So friends, you can see guys your sound vibration setting will on. Friends, you want to set ringtone, you want to change ringtone, notification sound. So friends, you can set and get vibrate on silent setting here. So friends, you can see your vibrate on ring setting is right size icon is on, means your vibrate on ring setting is on. So you will have to only tap here. So as your vibrate on ring problem will fix, the problem will solve. So friends, your phone will not vibrate on ring. So like that guy, we can solve, we can fix vibrate on ring problem in Oppo phone device. And friends, you don't know where is guys your vibrate on ring setting, so guys how to fix? Friends, first of all we will on it this setting guys. So once you're now we have this vibrate on ring problem. So guys again guys open your phone settings. So guys on guys this search bar and guys search here guys vibrate setting. First you can see vibrate on ring setting is here. Tap here direct and get direct guys, you can fix this problem from here. Right side this icon is enable guys, only tap here to fix. So guys phone will not vibrate on ring. So like that guys we can fix guys vibrate on ring problem in our Oppo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys. Friends, to event out guys related to guys your Oppo phone guys sound and vibration setting friends, you can ask me comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.